Welcome back, everybody. I'm Dexter with Current Connected. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pytes VR Box IC. Getting started, this is easiest to cut the box in half and open just like that. Inside the box we have a perfect cardboard mounting template so that we know where to put our holes in the wall to mount this. And just like that, we're into the battery rack itself. There's a piece of foam, top and bottom, protecting this during transit. And we are ready now to remove the front cover. A stiff pull detaches this with magnets. And there's our box inside. Let's get this over to the bench and we'll take a closer look. This rack is not that heavy. It's pretty easy for me to carry on my own. With the cabinet up on the test bench, we can now take a closer look. This section right here on the front just has the Pytes logo. It's embossed in here, but it's not yet painted in. I suspect because this is one of the first batches of these battery cabinets, they may have that later on, but yeah, it essentially just says Pytes right there across that round piece. I showed earlier that this cabinet just detaches with magnets, but it's not only held on by magnets. If I pull on it, you'll see the top is catching on here, and you actually have to lift it up a little bit to release it. And there's a flange right here on the underside of this panel that catches onto a hook up here on the top of the rack. Even this cover plate is built really well. The black part that shines through on the front is quite large just to give the appearance of the black stripe. And there's a channel down here that reinforces the entire bottom edge of this rack, and this appears to be really sturdy and really heavy duty. The material of this rack itself appears to be about a 16 gauge steel material. Like I mentioned, it was magnetic, and overall the build quality looks really nice. Even the finger holes are pretty nice at getting a smooth surface for your hands to grab onto. Jumping to the inside of the rack, I should mention this is an indoor rated cabinet, so you will not want to install this outdoors. This is indoor only. It fits two of the Pytes V5 or E-Box 48100R batteries, and they sit essentially vertical. I'll show you that in just a minute. So we have two brackets that hold the batteries up, and then the back plate mounts to the wall. So this is equivalent to a 10 kilowatt hour wall mount battery, just using two rack batteries to do it, and it contains all of the wiring quite nicely. There are two air vents on the bottom and two air vents on the top to allow some convection cooling through this cabinet. And then there are four knockouts on the left and right side for our cables to enter and exit. There are no bus bars in this cabinet, but there is a piece of 35mm DIN rail where you could mount some breakers or interconnections. But like I mentioned, there are no breakers in this cabinet. Essentially what Pytes is anticipating is the connections will happen on the batteries themselves, and then you would run out to your inverter. I have one of the V5 batteries. I'm going to try to throw it in the cabinet right now. That's nice that the battery has a handle right there for picking it up. That does make it easier. And there we have it. That is the first V5 battery in the cabinet. I don't have a second one handy, or otherwise I'd show you putting the second one in. From here, the batteries can be interconnected with the flexible bus bars that they come with. These go between the positive and negative terminals to daisy chain the batteries together. The interconnecting bars this battery came with are honestly one of a kind. They beautifully go into the terminals, and from there we have a lot of flex and wiggle for connecting to the second battery in parallel. This is a lot nicer than trying to figure out how to get a cable in here that's not very flexible and hard to bend to reach the other battery. Other than that, this is a pretty simple product. If you want a link to it, we'll put them in the description down below. Subscribe to the channel to see our further videos as we get new products in. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And other than that, we'll see you next time. Thanks for choosing Current Connected.